What if I told you that one of Yamaha's most underrated icons has made a bold return, not just as a reissue, but as a completely modernized machine for a new era? Yes, the Yamaha XJ600 is back in 2026, and this time it's not just another middleweight. It's a reinvention of what a true, practical, and exciting everyday motorcycle should be. For years, the XJ600 carried a reputation as a reliable all-rounder, a machine that could commute during the week and then carve up the countryside on the weekend. Now, Yamaha has breathed new life into the name, creating a motorcycle that balances heritage with innovation. And wait until you hear about the surprise twist they've added for this comeback. The Yamaha XJ600 first appeared in the mid-1980s, eventually becoming a beloved part of Yamaha's lineup, thanks to its blend of affordability, usability, and sporty character. It wasn't the fastest, the most aggressive, or the flashiest bike on the market, but that was never the point. The XJ was a machine that did everything well, and in many ways it was the people's sport bike. It taught new riders confidence, it gave experienced riders practicality, and it quietly earned a reputation as one of the most honest motorcycles money could buy. Fast forward to 2026, and Yamaha has decided to bring it back. But instead of just slapping modern plastics on an old platform, they've completely reimagined the XJ600 for today's riding world. The design alone makes a statement. Sleek minimalist lines wrap around a muscular yet compact frame. The round headlight, a nod to its heritage, returns, but this time in full LED glory paired with slim LED indicators and a clean tail section that screams modern sophistication. It looks purposeful, sporty, and unmistakably Yamaha. At the heart of the 2026 XJ600 is a brand new 600cc inline-4 engine. Liquid-cooled and tuned to deliver around 95 horsepower with a smooth, linear power band. Yamaha made sure this bike retained the character of the original XJ series. Usable power that doesn't intimidate beginners, but still excites veterans. The motor revs willingly, offering that classic Yamaha 4-cylinder scream at high RPMs. Yet it's equally content to purr through city traffic at low speeds. Fuel injection, ride-by-wire, and variable valve timing ensure it's efficient as well, with a claimed fuel economy of nearly 22 kilometers per liter. But the XJ600 is more than just an engine. Its lightweight steel trellis frame keeps the handling sharp while maintaining everyday durability. Suspension has been upgraded significantly from the old models, with fully adjustable forks at the front and a monoshock rear that provides excellent feedback. The bike rolls on 17-inch wheels with sport touring rubber, striking the perfect balance between agility in corners and stability on highways. Braking is handled by dual front discs with radial-mounted calipers and a single rear disc, all linked to Yamaha's latest ABS system. For riders stepping up from smaller machines, this setup feels confidence-inspiring rather than overwhelming. Technology, of course, is where the new XJ600 shows its modern side. A full-color TFT dash displays everything from speed and revs to navigation and smartphone notifications. Yamaha has included multiple riding modes: standard, sport, rain, and a custom mode where you can tweak throttle response, traction control, and ABS sensitivity. Cruise control makes an appearance too, something unheard of in middleweights of the past. All of this blends seamlessly with Yamaha's design philosophy: simple, intuitive, and focused on enhancing the ride without distracting from it. Comfort has not been ignored. The ergonomics are classic XJ. Upright, relaxed, and suitable for long-distance touring as well as daily commuting. The seat height is a friendly 800 millimeters, approachable for newer riders yet still comfortable for taller ones. The seat itself is more padded than you'd expect, designed to keep you comfortable even after hours on the road. Wind protection comes from a small but effective front cowl, keeping buffeting down, while maintaining the clean naked bike look. Yamaha also thought about practicality. The 2026 XJ600 comes with optional pannier mounts, making it easy to turn into a lightweight tourer. There are also USB-C charging ports built into the dash, along with underseat storage for essentials. It's these little touches that make the bike more than just a machine. They make it a companion for real-world riding. And now for the surprise twist. Yamaha isn't just releasing the XJ600 as a standard road bike. They're also offering a special Heritage Edition. This variant comes painted in classic Yamaha racing colors, with retro graphics, a round analog-style gauge cluster, and even a slightly detuned exhaust note to echo the sound of the old XJ models. It's a blend of nostalgia and modern engineering, designed for riders who remember the glory days of Yamaha's affordable fours, but want today's reliability and refinement. So, who is the new XJ600 for? The answer is simple, everyone. It's for the beginner looking for a first big bike that isn't overwhelming. It's for the commuter who needs reliability and practicality. It's for the weekend rider who craves canyon carving. And it's for the nostalgic rider who remembers the old XJs and wants to relive that magic without dealing with decades-old maintenance. Yamaha has positioned the XJ600 as a universal motorcycle, accessible, exciting, and versatile. The 2026 Yamaha XJ600 isn't about breaking lap records or dominating adventure rallies. It's about doing what the XJ has always done best, offering a motorcycle that's approachable, reliable, and genuinely fun to ride. It's a reminder that not every bike needs to be extreme. Sometimes the best motorcycle is the one that simply makes you want to ride every single day. So here's the real question. Does the 2026 XJ600 mark the return of the everyday sport bike? The machine for all riders? Or is it a nostalgic experiment that will appeal only to a select few? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain. Yamaha has brought back a name with meaning, and in doing so, they've created a motorcycle that could once again become the backbone of real-world riding. This has been your in-depth look at the 2026 Yamaha XJ600, a legend reborn for today's roads. This is Acer Rider signing off. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep the spirit of motorcycling alive.